Monica, we're doing something new today. Just read your lines, okay?
Oh, sure.
In 3, 2, 1.
I'm Monica Martinez, and this is real weather. Other shows talk about the weather, but we feel it. Today, in the West, the weather will be warm and sunny. In the Southwest, there's a heat wave. Ooh, it's hot out there. Temperatures are in the high 90s. All of you in the Midwest will have windy weather, and there will be snowstorms. In the East, it's very cold out there. We'll be back in a minute to talk about the weather in the South.
Okay, Monica, get ready. It's raining in the South. They're having thunderstorms and lots of lightning.